everyone. In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to calculate polygons area in QGIS. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. So let's open QGIS and bring in a set of polygons that we will use to demonstrate this exercise. So click on Add Vector Layer. Then let's navigate to our folder where the file is, and it's in my exercise folder on desktop. Let me use this Anambra LGAs and click on Open, then click Add. Let me bring this up, click Add. In few seconds it will be added. It has been added. Then click Close. So we have this data, a bunch of polygons. So what you want to do is to calculate the area of this polygon. The first thing to do is to check the units of your QGIS interface. To do that, click on Settings and click on Options. So when you click on Options, it will open a box like this. Then come to Map Tools. See, we have to check the distance unit of this software as set by the user is meter. So you can actually change it to meter or kilometer. So you have to take note of this when you are calculating length or area. So the preferred distance unit is meter and preferred area unit is square meter. So have this at the back of your mind. Then what we can do now is you can right click on the layer and right click the layer and click on Properties. Then come to this single symbol. Let's categorize it, and we want to categorize using the field called name. Then we can choose the ramp color as this turbo and click on Classify, then click on OK. So we have this bunch of polygons represented with different color. What we want to do is to calculate the area. To calculate the area, right click and open the attribute table. Open attribute table. So in attribute table, we have to create a field to calculate the area. Now to do that, put it in editing mode by clicking on this icon, toggle editing. Then come to new field. New field, let's call it area underscore square meter. So we want to calculate it in square meter. Click on the type and choose decimal numbers. So click on OK. So let's create another field and call it area underscore square kilometer. So choose decimal number and click on OK. What it means is that since the unit of our QGIS, we set it to be in square meter. Likewise, we want to calculate in square meter and want to calculate in square kilometer. That's why we created two fields. So now to calculate for the square meter, what to do is that you come, as you have put it in editing mode, you come to open raster calculator. This one, open feed calculator, open feed calculator. So you come to geometry, then you see $area. Double click it, you see $area. As you double click it, you want to update existing field. Check that existing field. Then the field you want to populate is this area in square meter. Then click on OK. So you can see the area in square meter has been calculated. So if we want to calculate area in square kilometer, then what you do is come to open field calculator. We want to update existing field, and the field is this area in square kilometer. Then come back again to this geometry, see area $. Double click it. In this case, it will be divided by 1 million. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So click on OK. So it has been calculated. So this is the area in square meter and area in square kilometer. So this is how to calculate area of polygons in QGIS. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.